Best light for tracing. Light tables for tracing are indispensable tools for artists, designers, hobbyists, and professionals working on intricate projects such as diamond painting. List 1. A4 Ultra-Thin Portable LED Tracing Light Box. The Tic Tac Lab A4 Tracing Light Box is a mid-range option that balances portability and functionality. At just 5 millimeters thick, it is ultra-slim and lightweight, making it easy to carry. The LED illumination is even, bright, and flicker-free, which is ideal for prolonged use. It features stepless brightness adjustment via a touch sensor switch, allowing users to customize the light intensity to suit their needs. The protective film on the screen ensures durability and scratch resistance. The USB-powered design makes it convenient to use with laptops or power banks, although it lacks a rechargeable battery. In terms of performance, the Tic Tac Lab Lightbox excels in delivering consistent brightness across its surface, making it suitable for detailed tasks like stenciling, calligraphy, and diamond painting. However, its reliance on USB power limits portability, as it must remain plugged in during use. The touch sensor is responsive, but some users may find it overly sensitive, leading to accidental adjustments. Its acrylic construction feels sturdy, but it is slightly heavier than comparable models. List No. Lit Energy A4 LED Copyboard Light Tracing Box. The Lit Energy A4 LED Tracing Box offers a slightly larger working area compared to other A4 models, with dimensions of 14.2 by 10.6 inches. Its ultra-thin design, 0.2 inches thick, makes it highly portable, and the gradual dimming brightness adjustment is a standout feature for users seeking precise control. The device is USB powered and features energy-efficient flicker-free LED lamps that provide an even and comfortable illumination surface. With an impressive brightness of 4,000 lux, it is suitable for various applications, including tattoo transferring, sketching, and quilting. Performance-wise, the Lit Energy Lightbox is reliable and user-friendly. The gradual dimming feature allows for smooth transitions in brightness, making it ideal for tasks requiring different light intensities. Its lightweight design enhances portability, but the lack of a rechargeable battery means users must keep it plugged in during operation. While the build quality is solid, the acrylic material may feel less premium compared to higher-priced models. Overall, it's a versatile option for hobbyists and professionals alike. List No. HSK B4A3 Size Artist Tracing Light Box. Copy table. The HSK B4A3 Size Tracing Light Box is a premium option that stands out for its innovative features and robust performance. With a brightness of 6,000 lux, it is the brightest model in this comparison, making it ideal for tasks requiring high illumination levels. The lock button feature prevents accidental adjustments during use, a thoughtful addition for professionals working on intricate projects. Its sturdy aluminum frame enhances durability, while the visual area of 14.2 by 10.2 inches provides ample space for larger designs. The dimmer buttons allow precise control over brightness, offering a user-friendly experience. This lightbox excels in performance, delivering perfectly even illumination across its surface. The lock button feature is particularly useful for diamond painting and tattoo transferring, where consistency is critical. The aluminum frame adds a premium touch, but it slightly increases weight compared to other models. While the price is higher, the HSK Lightbox offers exceptional value for users seeking advanced features and superior build quality. List No. A4 LED Lightbox 9 by 12 inch light pad, only 5 millimeter, ultra-thin USB power light table for tracing. The ME456 A4 LED Lightbox is a budget-friendly option that delivers solid performance for its price. At just 5 millimeters thick, it is ultra-slim and easy to carry. The flicker-free LED lamps provide a comfortable lighting environment, and the touch-sensitive brightness adjustment allows users to find their ideal light intensity. With a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, this model offers reliable long-term use. Its lightweight design and compact dimensions make it ideal for portability. While the ME456 Lightbox performs well for basic tracing tasks, its brightness, 4000 lux, is lower than premium models like the HSK. This makes it less suitable for highly detailed or professional work. The acrylic construction is durable but lacks the premium feel of higher-end models. Overall, it's a great choice for beginners or casual users who need a reliable and affordable tracing tool. List number 5. A4 Lightbox for tracing. The Kakola A4 Lightbox is the most budget-friendly model in this comparison, priced at just $8.99. Despite its low cost, it offers a sleek and durable design with non-slick cushions for stability during use. The visual workspace of 12.5 by 8.5 inches is sufficient for most tracing tasks, and the dimmable brightness adjustment ensures versatility. The Type-C USB port allows easy connectivity to power sources, and its 50,000-hour lifespan ensures long-term reliability. While the Kakola Lightbox is a great entry-level option, its brightness, 4,500 lux, is slightly lower than mid-range and premium models. It is best suited for casual users and beginners who need an affordable tracing solution. The plastic construction feels less robust compared to higher-priced models, but it gets the job done for basic applications like diamond painting and sketching.